Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers, my sisters, Alhamdulillah, we thank Allah for a blessed, beautiful day. And we thank Allah for giving us another opportunity to worship Him and an opportunity to be able to earn closeness to Him, to seek forgiveness for our shortcomings and to mend our ways. So every day that we actually have opened our eyes, we should be praising the Almighty, thanking Him for giving us another chance to actually seek forgiveness, get closer to Him and become better people. Okay, so the question that is being asked by a lot of you is, how do we get hold of you? Now, obviously, it's very, very difficult to respond to everyone. It's extremely difficult to reply. I usually say you must make use of the scholars in your own community, those who are closer to you, or other scholars, because I am not able to respond to the thousands of messages that I get on a daily basis. I actually have to pick at random and sometimes just look at the subject that is written or chosen by you and decide whether or not I would be able to respond. I'm sure you would appreciate that I only have a short time to interact with people on social media or online. Even emails, subhanallah, it's not easy to respond to emails. I respond to an average of about 50 emails a day, and that is a lot. And I receive thousands of messages and emails. Literally, it goes into sometimes 20,000, even beyond. So I'm talking of messages and everything put together. So my brothers and sisters, it's very difficult. Now, there are so many bogus accounts on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, so many of them. If someone has DM'd you, it is definitely not me, unless there is a blue tick next to the name. And I wouldn't really DM you unless you knew the reason. Subhanallah, if I knew you personally and there is something between us from before, I've known you personally, you would probably WhatsApp me, and that would be easier. That would definitely, be me. But don't ever think that you're communicating with me when you look at the account and it has about a few followers and it's not verified, it's not authenticated, and you're thinking it's me. The reason I say this is, of late, many people are being fooled into believing that they're communicating with me, but they're not. I mean, right now I'm talking to you. If I look at the comments and I tell you, okay, subhanallah, here is a comment, someone called Humaira said hello. Well, I would say assalamu alaikum. But anyway, someone called Humaira said hello. You can actually see that is the comment. It's not difficult to actually post this as though it is a live session on another Instagram account, and it's just a video, but it's taken from one to the other, and it's made to look like it's real. There is so much fake happening online. Recently, I saw someone put up something. They sent it to me saying, oh, you've been refuted in this way and that way. And it's clearly edited. But subhanAllah, people still fall for this. People still actually believe it. Well, in that case, you're weak. You don't know how the internet works. You don't know perhaps how people fool others online. I've known of people who've donated money to bogus names claiming we're this sheikh and that sheikh, and myself too. People have claimed they were me. Another thing is, if you're going to donate money, you must you must make sure you've spoken to me. I haven't asked anyone online to donate money to me. I haven't. May Allah protect us. I haven't asked anyone on an open platform to donate money to me. No, I haven't. So remember this, my brothers and sisters, it's very important. How do you get hold of me? Okay, so there is an email address, muftimenk@gmail.com. You can send your email there. There is no guarantee that you will get a reply, but perhaps you may. Inshallah, you may. If you haven't had a reply in a few days, you may want to send it again a few times, and perhaps you may get a reply. Like I said, I'm not the only person. I cannot cope. I cannot actually let everyone, I cannot answer every single person, but I try. So if you send an email to muftimenk@gmail.com, simple, that is my email. Agreed. Secondly, If you go to muftimenk.com, which is the official website, muftimenk.com, which is the official website that is confirmed on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, that is verified as well, and you go to the contact section where it says contact, and you fill in that form, that email will also get to me, insha'Allah azza wa jalla. So that's also another way of reaching me. But whether I will be able to respond or not is different, meaning I cannot guarantee that. Like I say, sometimes you have to prioritize what is urgent, what is not urgent, and sometimes we don't get to see the emails. To be honest with you, sometimes it even goes into the spam. It happens. So you have to forgive me for that one. However, the reason why I was prodded to actually come online and live to clear this is because there have been many people who are saying, subhanallah, you said this and you did this and we donated this and whatever, and someone is communicating. It's not me. I don't even have the time, subhanallah. I haven't been live for a while. Here I am. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for every one of us. I pray that whatever issues you're going through, Allah make it easy. You can try to send me an email, muftimenk@gmail.com. You could try filling the contact form on muftimenk.com. Make sure when you put the reply address, you write the correct address. Sometimes people fill in the form on the muftimenk.com contact, and when they put the reply address, they put some wrong address, gmail.co, or they write their name wrong or something, and then the reply is typed, and when it's sent, it comes back to us to say wrong email address. So this is what has happened as well. We do pray for all those who are struggling across the globe. I see some of your comments. You're asking me to pray. We need to pray for each other as well. The globe is going through a lot at the moment. So there goes, my brothers and sisters. That was a very, very important message. I also want to seize the opportunity to say that, don't believe everything that you see online. Don't. It's very, very easy to put words in people's mouths. Go and check the apps that you have. Go and see how people create videos of people who never ever made those videos. We're living in a technologically advanced age and stage. May Allah bless you. I've seen a few people tell me that, someone has refuted you. Can you respond? We don't respond to people who do that in public. We don't. If they have something, they can contact us and we will communicate with them if we feel the need to, or if we even have the time to. If you've benefited from me, alhamdulillah, thank Allah and keep it up. If I've done something wrong, you can let me know. But a lot of the times, those who do the refutations, ask yourself, how have they served the ummah? What have they done for the ummah? Ask yourself that. When people are quick to refute the whole world and say, this guy is doing this wrong, and this guy is a mushrik and a fasiq and a fajir and a kafir, and all these big, big words, just ask yourself, the person talking, what service have they rendered for the ummah? How have they helped you? A lot of the times, if they haven't, you know what? You're wasting your time even listening to them. They have appointed themselves as people who are sitting there to refute others, and that's it. It's a waste of time. My brothers and sisters, learn to distinguish between right and wrong, those who benefit, those who don't. I'm a human being. It's possible I make mistakes. I do make mistakes. I must make mistakes. But we always correct ourselves when we are corrected in a reasonable fashion and in a proper way. May Allah bless you all and grant us ease. Barakallahu feekum. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.